Hello everyone, welcome to a new interview in our Infoenergetics channel. Today we are glad to be at Energyear Italy 2024 and we're going to talk with Roberto Barletta from WESII. Roberto, welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and thanks for this invitation. WESII, you see, we pronounce both Italian and English.
Yes.
We see, in fact, we are watching, because what we do with a drone or airplane, we take pictures on your asset, your photovoltaic asset, wind turbine or terrain, to digitize the project, and then we can use our algorithms of artificial intelligence, machine learning to really identify the defect or create output that are the one that are used for your project.
Great. The first question, Roberto, I want to know about how is the WESI's vision of the PV market in Italy and also the main challenges.
The vision of WESII is, I would say, is positive. If we just think back in 2021, WESII is the first company in Europe that have introduced aerothermography using manned aircraft, not only drone but airplane. Mm-hmm. What does those airplane? Those airplane give you the possibility to inspect a 100 megawatt plant in less than 1 hour.
Quickly.
Very quick and very precise, because what happens, a drone inspects 100 meg in a few days. And you know that also if you look at the quality of the thermography, the irradiation, so the sun and the temperature are very impacting the result of the analysis. Having us the possibility to inspect so many panel at the same, almost at the same time, same irradiation, same condition, give us the possibility to provide very high quality output to our clients.
Great. And what about the small solar farms? Are them still interesting for that kind of services?
1 meg with our plane is inspected in 8 seconds. So it is okay. We prefer the big plants, but in Italy we inspect every year about 4,000 plants. So, and a lot are small.
Great. Tell us a little bit more about the challenges of the solar energy development, more general. What do you think about it?
About the people that are doing in development. Okay, I will say that we enter more in the game after the ready to build. There are some developers we are working with that ask us to make some analysis on terrain when they are not convinced that the terrain will be able to fulfill some requirement for tracker or things like that. Then we can help with them. There are also another case where we work a lot in the development is we have a client that asks us to identify suitable roof for roof installation. We call Catastro Solare, so mainly we scan entire region with our plane or taking satellite data, and we can digitize all the roof and then identify a potential place where the developer can go and ask the owner to build a roof plan.
Okay. And finally,
CNI,
Roberto,
yeah.
Thank you. And finally, Roberto, does WESII have any goal or forecast for the following years?
We are always very, very ambitious. By the way, as we see this year, we have just changed our shareholder. We have now Terna in our shareholder, and DXT, that is a trading company, a Swedish trading company owned by the Ferco Group. And thanks to them, we have ambition really to grow internationally. We are already present worldwide, but we want really to open next year some, let's say, big market. One of our hope is United States, going big in United States.
Interesting. Roberto, grazie mille.
Prego.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Roberto. I hope you find interesting this interview. If you want to know more about WESII, you can find the company's link here in the video description, and see you in the next interview.